Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at a dash cam that doesn't just cover the basics, it gives you a complete 360 degrees view around your car. This is the 4-channel dash cam with GPS, 5G Wi-Fi, night vision, and a built-in 128GB card. If you've ever wanted maximum protection for your car on the road or while parked, this dash cam is worth your attention. Unlike regular dash cams that only capture the front, this system records from 5 different angles at once: front, rear, left, right, and even inside the cabin. That means you're covered from every direction, reducing blind spots and giving you full video evidence in case of accidents, disputes, or incidents in parking lots. Each camera records in wide 160 degrees angle with WDR, wide dynamic range, technology, ensuring clear footage even in tricky lighting, like when you're driving at night or facing bright headlights. Plus, the infrared night vision mode guarantees sharp video inside the cabin, even in complete darkness. Now here's where it gets smarter. The built-in GPS module tracks your location, route, and speed, so you have precise data for insurance claims or safety checks. With 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, you can instantly transfer and review footage on your smartphone without removing the memory card. The dashcam also supports a 24-hour parking mode, powered by a reliable supercapacitor instead of a battery, so it can handle extreme temperatures and last longer without swelling or leaking. That means even when your car is parked, the cameras remain on guard, ready to capture any bumps, scratches, or break-ins. Let's pause here. Picture yourself dealing with a hit and run in a parking lot. Without video, it's your word against theirs. With this 360 degrees dash cam system, you'll have clear footage from every angle, giving you peace of mind and protection around the clock. Another highlight is that it already includes a 128GB memory card, so you're ready to use it right out of the box without extra purchases. That's a nice bonus compared to other dash cams that often make you buy one separately. Compact, powerful, and feature-packed, this 360 degrees 4-channel dash cam is an ideal solution for drivers who want complete coverage, reliable performance, and next-level safety features. Check out the Amazon link below if you're interested, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more car tech and smart gadgets that keep you protected.